tell neighbors. Yeah.
Hi, my name's Ashley, and I have a passion for world travel. So when I lost my corporate job back in 2019, it only made sense and was a lot cheaper for me to put everything in storage and live full time out of a carry-on suitcase. So I booked a one-way ticket, hit the road, in search of what the new normal of travel looks like. But more importantly, I'm in search of what my new normal looks like. I am the In Search of Traveler. I am walking to the mall because I'm getting a much needed massage and facial. One of the things that I love about where I'm staying at in downtown Cancun is that this is more of a local spot, so everything's very affordable. So I'm getting 1 hour massage and 1 hour facial, and it's 60 something dollars, 1,500 pesos, which I believe is $69. So I'm excited. See you guys when I get there. I just made it to the mall and I'm gonna head into getting my massage, my facial, and my manicure because these nails need to be fixed. So I put my feet in the sanitizer. Wipe them off. She's gonna come take my temperature. Gracias. And I'm all set. I passed. They have this drink that's green and it's so delicious. I don't know what's in it, but it tastes so good. Yum. I'm gonna go get my massage now. I just finished my facial and my massage. It was so amazing. Now it's time to get my nails done. Got our nails done. We're looking fabulous. And now we're going to get some food. Now, I was gonna take her to get the amazing tamales, but she told me about an Italian place. And you guys know I studied abroad in Florence, Italy, so I'm all about the pasta. So we're gonna go check that out. I'll see you guys in a bit. So we're getting in a taxi so we can go to this Italian restaurant. We're really excited. I haven't had pasta since I can't even remember. Oh, he's not here. We totally got faked out. We thought this was a taxi. We gotta find a taxi. Oh, hey. Yeah, I wish I would have got that on film. That's hilarious. He literally, we waved and he was like, ah! Hey. So this is why you need to learn the local language before. See. This is why you need to learn the local language before you go to a place. We thought he was saying 500 pesos and he was saying 50 pesos. He was saying 50 pesos. Which is like, what? Poor guy. How much is 50 pesos? Girl, like $2? Like $2. Yeah. No, $1 and like 75 cents. $1.75, but we thought he was saying like 500. Yeah. We got 2 YouTubers. Okay, tell me your socials again. What's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is TREEJAY, the number 01. So TreeJ01.
And your Instagram.
Same thing. TreeJ01.
Follow her. Want to talk about a different vibe. Look how pretty it is here. I'm obsessed. Sanitation. Here we go. Take your temperature. Ride the escalator. Up we go. This literally feels like Santa Monica. Look at this mall. Can you believe we're just like 5 minutes away from where we were? We made it.
Yeah.
No.
Want to eat outside in front of the water?
Yeah. Hola!
Would you like to wear a self-sanitizer? This eliminates the virus and bacteria in the air.
Oh,
So
okay.
you can breathe fresh air.
And do they have these things we can put on our neck that's a self-sanitizer? I'm telling you guys, everybody in California is afraid of leaving the country, but people are doing it so much better outside of America.
This is for you.
And how do I do it? I just put it on my neck?
Yes, you wear it like that.
They just brought me a self-sanitizer. I just put it around my neck like this. And this is gonna provide sanitation throughout my entire meal. How cool is that? I love Mexico, really cool. I've got this bread and I've got ricotta and Parmesan cheese and I'm about to carb load. Here we go. Oh my God, heaven on earth, so good.
Angeles and maroon.
Fabulous. I get to be the taster today. I feel so important.
Good.
I love Sangiovese. It is perfecto. This is my favorite type of wine. Sangiovese, DOCG, straight out of Italy. It's a really good bottle. Va bene. Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Nada, que lo disfruten.
You guys, how epic was that? If you are not planning a trip to Cancun, you need to get here. I'm gonna link this restaurant in the comments. Definitely check it out. Hang tight, the food's coming out in just a bit. If you guys could just see how in sync this is, it's so great. Just a little bit of pepper for my pasta. What can I say? Only in Mexico, you guys. Well, I'm gonna enjoy this meal, so thank you guys for watching. I'll be back tomorrow morning. I'm out. I had such a fun time on my little excursion to the Ritz Carlton that I decided, why not splurge a little bit? So I'm headed there now to stay for a couple nights and relax. I'll see you guys soon.
Gracias.
Gracias, I pass?
I'll just clean yourself here, and then you can take all your hand. Now please, let's go inside for your check-in process. And we're gonna sanitize your luggage right now.
Gracias.
And then we're gonna take it off the passport. Please, allow me walk. Bienvenida, please, this way. Right here, my coworker Miguel. Miguel will assist you with the check-in process. So now, welcome home and enjoy your stay.
Gracias.
Welcome to the Ritz Carlton Cancun. My name is Miguel. I will be assisting you with your check-in process.
So I just woke up and now I'm gonna go have some breakfast.
And this is gonna be breakfast. This is fruit puree and plain yogurt. It makes it taste better.
So they brought me this fruit puree that I'm supposed to eat while I'm waiting on my food to come, and they told me to mix it up. It looks like baby food. Let's see what it tastes like. It's like a little smoothie in a glass. Pretty delicious. I forgot my tahini in my hotel room for my fruit, but they were really nice, and I asked them if they had some, and they brought me this little jar of tahini. I'm so happy. Oh, look at that.
Gonna be bell pepper, onions, okay, and cheese.
Thank you so much.
So this is gonna be the sauces. Gonna be white toast.
Gracias.
And some butter right there. I know you didn't request for this, but this is ranchero sauce. If you put it to the omelette, it's gonna increase the flavor.
What is
You can
this?
try it. Ranchero sauce.
Oh, and you drizzle it
Yeah,
over?
it's not spicy.
Oh,
It's
gracias.
a flavor.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your breakfast, lady.
This is an epic breakfast. I'm really excited. I'll do the complimentary chair.
One
Yes.
and an umbrella.
Oh, it comes complimentary with an
Yeah.
umbrella? Oh, sí. Gracias. This has been the most amazing week that I've had in a long time. I've totally pampered myself. And while I've been at the Ritz Carlton, all I've been doing is drinking berry mojitos, eating amazing food, swimming in the ocean, swimming in the pool, and just hanging out and having a great time. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.